everyone, and welcome to this session on Introduction to Virtual Assistants. Today, we'll be discussing who virtual assistants are, why virtual assistants are important in today's digital economy, the different types of virtual assistants, the essential skills needed to succeed in this profession. Let's start with a simple question. Who is a virtual assistant? A virtual assistant, often called a VA, is a professional who works remotely and provides support services to individuals, businesses, or organizations instead of working from a physical office. A virtual assistant uses a laptop, internet connection, and digital tools to perform tasks from anywhere around the world. Think of a traditional secretary working in an office. Now, imagine the same secretary performing the same duties from home while using technology. That is essentially what a virtual assistant does. From a business perspective, a virtual assistant serves as an online support staff member who help business owners and entrepreneurs with administrative, technical, and creative tasks. This allows business owners to focus on growing their businesses while a VA handles the important day-to-day operations. You might be wondering, why are virtual assistants in such high demand? The answer is simple. Many business owners are overwhelmed with repetitive tasks. And with the growth of digital and social space, many businesses are mostly online. The duties of a virtual assistant is to manage emails, schedule appointments, respond to customers, organize files, and data entry. Hiring a full-time office staff can be expensive because of it involves salary, office space, equipment, and training costs. A virtual assistant provides a flexible and cost-effective solution because they can work remotely and are often paid based on the services they provide. This arrangement benefits both the client and the virtual assistants. Let's talk about the core roles of a virtual assistant. At its core, the role of a virtual assistant is to make a client's work easier, faster, and more efficient. A virtual assistant can help with managing daily operations, organizing schedules and calendars, handling customers' communications, conducting research, and creating content, managing projects and files, and also supporting business growth. The ultimate goal is to save the client's time so they can focus on high priority activities. Now, let's talk about types of virtual assistants. One of the most exciting things about this profession is that there are many specialization opportunities. Let's look at some common types of virtual assistants. On the top of the list, we have the administrative virtual assistant. An administrative VA focuses on office and organization support. Their key responsibilities include managing emails, scheduling meetings, data entry, record keeping, travel planning and booking, and creation of itinerary. For example, an administrative VA working for a business coach may schedule coaching calls, send reminders, and maintain client record. Secondly, we have an executive virtual assistant. An executive VA provides high-level support to executives and CEOs. Their duties may include managing executives' schedule, preparing confidential documents, coordinating stakeholder meetings, and handling sensitive business information. They often serve as the link between the leadership and the rest of the team. We have the social media virtual assistant. A social media VA helps businesses build and maintain their online presence. Their tasks include creating content, scheduling posts, responding to comments and messages, and monitoring analytics. Also, it can include researching trends. For example, a social media VA may manage Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or TikTok accounts for a business. Number four, we have the technical virtual assistant. A technical VA specializes in technology and system management. Part of their jobs include they build landing page, manage websites, set up email automation, troubleshoot technical issues, and manage online course platforms. This role is ideal for people who enjoy working with technology. Number five, we have the creative virtual assistants. A creative VA focuses on content creation and design. Their key responsibilities may include graphic designing, video editing, content writing, presentation design, newsletters creation. They help businesses communicate their brands effectively. Then we have the e-commerce virtual assistants. The e-commerce VAs support online stores. Their typical duties include uploading products, managing inventories, processing orders, and responding to customers' inquiries. It can also include writing product description, just the way we see on online stores like Temu and Amazon. They help online stores run smoothly. Then we have the real estate VAs. They work with realtors, brokers, and property managers. Their tasks may include managing property listings, scheduling property inspections, following up with leads, and preparing reports and documents. Number eight, we have the customer service virtual assistants. Now, a customer service VA focus on client satisfaction and retention. They respond to customers' inquiries, they handle complaints, they manage support tickets, and update customers' records. Excellent communication skills are the essential skills for this role. Then on the next, we have the project management virtual assistant. A project management VA helps the team to stay organized and productive. Their responsibility includes creating project boards, tracking progress, monitoring deadlines, coordinating team communication, generating project reports. They ensure projects stay on schedule and within scope, and they make sure that all deadlines are met. Now, you might be asking yourself, do I even need to become a VA? Or why should I become a virtual assistant? Many people are choosing virtual assistants as a career because of the benefits it offers. Some of these benefits include the ability to work from anywhere, flexible work schedule, low setup cost, high market demand for virtual assistants, multiple income opportunities, and continuous skill development. The opportunity to also become their own boss. For many professionals, virtual assistants provide both freedom and financial opportunities. Now, let us talk about the essential skills that a virtual assistant needs to succeed in the career path. There are three major types of skills. We have the soft skill, the technical skills, and the tools. The soft skills are more like your personal attributes. They are more like your character, your attitude towards work. They are also your professional qualities that help you work effectively with others. These soft skills can include communication, time management skill, problem solving skill, adaptability. How fast do you adapt to changes? How do you pay attention to details? Emotional intelligence, organization, how organized are you, and professionalism. These skills help you build trust with clients and deliver quality work consistently. The technical skills. The technical skills are practical abilities that allow you to perform tasks. These are the skills that you have to learn, things you can improve on, work on. Examples: email management, calendar management, data entry, research, presentation skill, project management, customer service, travel booking and travel itinerary, documentation preparation. The more technical skills you develop, the more valuable you become in the marketplace. Now, let us talk about the tools that every virtual assistant should know how to use. As a virtual assistant, you will be faced with working with so many softwares and applications. Some of these may include Google Mail or Microsoft Outlook, Google Calendar, Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, Google Docs or Microsoft Word, Google Slide or Microsoft PowerPoint, Zoom or Google Meet, then Trello, Asana, and ClickUp for project management. We have Slack and Canva for simple editings, and then ChatGPT and your Microsoft Copilot, and so many others. Learning these tools will help you work more effectively and increase your chances of getting hired. Now, in conclusion, in today's session, I want you to remember that virtual assistance is more than just working online. It is a professional service that helps businesses become more organized, productive, and efficient. The industry offers multiple career paths, flexible working opportunities, and room for continuous growth. Whether you are interested in administrative, customer service, social media, project management, or technical support, there is a place for you in the virtual assistant industry. Thank you for joining this session, and I look forward to seeing you in our next session. We are going to be discussing about writing correspondence and how to use the CC and the BCC. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.